Hey guys, it's Lucy and today we're going to talk about lines and angles. First, let's recap all about points. A point is shown on a paper using a dot or a cross. Most often you would use the word point to talk about when two lines meet. You will also talk about points on the grid position and name these using ordered pairs of coordinates, x and y. Points are normally named using capital letters, like A and B. They are both named using capital letters. Now, I'm going to draw some points for you guys to see. I will name this point E, one, comma, 4, bracket, and I will name this point S, 14, comma, 5, closing bracket. Now we finish recapping all about points. Let's get started on other figures. Take a look at figure 2. Lines. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure that extends to infinity in both directions. Normally though, the word line is used to talk about the shortest distance between 2 points, like this. Point A and point B are connected by a straight line using the shortest distance. Lines are named using a starting point and end point letters. Now, I'm going to draw a line for you guys. The easiest way to draw a line is by drawing it horizontally or vertically. Like this. I'll name this point point C and this point point D. These 2 points are connected by the shortest distance with a straight line. Now, let's move on to figure 3. Parallel. Parallel is a pair of lines that are the same distance apart all along their length are parallel. The symbol or is used for parallel lines. For example, AB parallel CD. Lines that are parallel are marked on the diagram with arrows, like this. Now I am going to draw a pair of parallel lines. Like this. This is point E. This is point F. This is point G. And this is point H. Now, I'm going to write this symbol as well. GH parallel EF. Now we're done with figure 3. Let's continue on figure 4. Angles. When 2 lines meet at a point, they form an angle. The meeting point is called the vertex of the angle, which is this dot. And The two lines are called the arms of the angle, like this. Angles are named using three letters. The letter at the end of one arm, C, the letter at the vertex, B, and the letter on the end of the other arm, A. The letter in the middle of an angle name always indicates the vertex, B. Now, I'm going to show you how to measure an angle. You'll need a protractor for this. You need to place the center of the protractor at B and align the baseline so it sits on arm BA. Now you need to extend arm BC so that it reaches past the scale. Read the inner scale. Angle ABC equals to 28 degrees. Now I'm going to draw a random angle and measure it again. You'll need just a normal ruler for drawing a random angle. Like this. First, let's label the points. The vertex is gonna be point B. One of the arms is going to be point C, and the other arm is gonna be point A. Now, let's measure the angle. Again, we'll place the center of the protractor on point B and measure it. First, we need to put the center of the protractor on point B and align the baseline so it sits on arm BA. Extend arm BC so that it reaches past the scale. Read the inner scale. Angle ABC is 48 degrees. Now, let's continue with figure 5. Perpendicular. When two lines meet at right angles, like this, they are perpendicular to each other. The symbol is used to show that the lines are perpendicular. Now, I'm going to draw a perpendicular figure for you guys to see. For this time, we are going to use a set square because the angles of a perpendicular figure are right angles. Like this. We will first draw the baseline and then draw a perpendicular line. Like this. This is a perpendicular figure. Now let's move on to figure 6. Acute angles. I think you might remember that I talked about angles during earlier in the video. So An acute angle is basically an angle which has degrees that are higher than 0 degrees, but the degrees are lower than 90 degrees. Like this. Now I'm going to show you how to draw an acute angle. To draw an acute angle, you can just draw a baseline first. We put the center of the protractor on the point of the line, and then we align the baseline with the line I already drew. Now we can see that if you draw like this, it is an right angle. So you can just simply follow the lines here that are before the right angle to draw an acute angle. Let's say, for example, I draw it here. Then I'll just use a ruler and align it with the dot, like this. And then we draw. So this is an acute angle. This is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. And if you need worksheets, you can check down in the comment section where there are PDFs you can download freely, and you can also share it with your friends and family if they need them. If you want me to make videos about the topics you don't know, you can also post it in the comment section to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks. Bye.